Hello, everybody. Thank you for joining us. We have an update here today for Inca Minerals from the CEO, Mr. Trevor Benson, who has just recently landed in Singapore ahead of the Future Metals Conference, where he's got some meetings and presentations lined up to explain Inca's strategy going forward. How are you going there, Trevor?
Very well, thank you, Peter.
Just for the sake of shareholders, I thought we might cover a few questions. The first being the acceptances. Where are you at with the Stunalara acquisition?
Yes, so Peter, we announced to the ASX the other day that we've gone over 90% acceptances in the takeover of Stunalara. So that moves us into compulsory acquisition mode. That'll take a few months to wrap up. We were just under 94%. So it'll take a little bit of time and there's a legal procedure that is carried out to be able to mop up the remaining shares. But the important thing is that we are in control now of the assets and we can move forward. So exciting times for Inca shareholders.
And it is exciting times. It's a new and very prospective area that Stunalara holds within the business. I'm sure shareholders are looking forward to seeing you get stuck into that. What would be the plan following the completion of the acquisition?
So we can basically move now to implement our exploration strategy. We're working very hard on organising the primary drill hole targets into what is a high-grade gold antimony vein system in northern Queensland. So very exciting. It's been held in private hands for many years, and the rock chips that we took from the site visit confirm the previous exploration and the high-grade nature of the gold antimony. But unbelievably, it's never been drilled. So we're very excited to be able to get in there and drill. Hopefully, we will have the first team, of our logistics team, in there middle of April. We have to put in a couple of tracks to get the access for the RC rig, and then May, June, we'll be drilling. So exciting times.
It would seem a year ahead of news following that drilling plan, and be some good anticipation. So funding for that, Trevor, can you talk to us about the funding and the placement underway?
Yes, so recently we undertook to raise $1 million, $1.1 million through Morgan Corporate in Perth. And that's been very, very successful. Obviously, Inca has the ability under its current capacity to raise 1.1 million, and that's been achieved. So we're very happy. That placement will enable us to implement the exploration campaign that's planned. And as I said before, we've planned a number of drill holes. We'll probably do a round of around 2,000 metres, where it's very shallow, so we're only drilling down to 50, 60 metres. And easy drilling. We'll have hopefully some very good results very soon after the drill campaign starts in, hopefully, pending the weather, but May, June this year.
That's good news, and great to hear that the good people of Morgan Stockbroking are backing you up, a good Queensland-based broking firm with a Queensland project. I think that'll be a great match. So, Trevor, just in summary, you're in Singapore to tell the story to new investors, but for existing Inca Minerals shareholders, the meaning of this acquisition, what do you think it means to them?
So Inca has primarily refocused its exploration strategy and look for shallow gold, primarily gold. So it's an exciting time to be exploring for gold, and we also have the added advantage of hopefully antimony, high-grade antimony credits. So both commodities have reached all-time highs in recent times, so it's an exciting time to be in those two commodities. So we're in Australia. We're in an easy jurisdiction of Queensland. Queensland have opened the doors to exploration and are very forthcoming and helpful in the access, gaining access and being able to get your drill exploration team in there. So it's a very exciting time, and we should hopefully have some good results in the near term.
Well, a pretty exciting time if you're an Inca shareholder, lots of potential upside. And with the acquisition now almost complete, I think they should be pretty excited. Good luck with the conference over there, Trevor, and hopefully you can get some new investors into the story.
Thank you very much, Peter, and thank you to all the shareholders for their continued support, and the new shareholders, including a couple of funds have come on board. So thank you.
Fantastic. Thanks very much.